In just 4 easy steps, you can submit your school concerns using the Safe Schools Maryland anonymous reporting system. Here's how. In an internet browser, type in safeschoolsmd.org. You'll be directed to the landing page for the Safe Schools Maryland reporting system. Here, you are presented with 3 options for reporting your anonymous tips. First, you can download the free app to your mobile device and submit your tip there through the application. Second, you can report the tip online using the online web form. Or third, you can call in your tip and talk to one of our trained technicians at 1-833-MD-BE-SAFE. For this particular example, we are going to be filling out the online web form. When we click the link, we are directed to a secure page for us to fill out our tip. In this scenario, a student who attends Blue Devils High School has a friend who's been acting different than normal. The student says that their friend has been avoiding phone calls and has been very defensive toward them. Also, our student has noticed that their friend has been smelling a little off or different. Finally, the student is not sure what to do or who to trust, but doesn't want to lose the friendship with this person. While this information may appear to be minimal, it's important to see that they took the time to quickly say something anonymously using the Safe Schools Maryland reporting system. When filling out the required field labeled Concern Event Type, our scenario could be labeled as depression, drug use, or one of the many other event types. Our student just needs to select the option they feel is best. There is no right or wrong answer here, and no matter what the student selects, their tip will be treated and taken seriously. Additionally, the student only needs to fill out the required fields with as much information about the situation that they feel comfortable sharing. Once the form is filled out, they will click Submit. Next, they will be given a Terms of Use statement. The terms of use should be reviewed, and then once agreed upon, click I agree. Finally, the student will receive a tip ID number and a password. They should save the tip ID number and password so that later, if they need to update the tip, they can do so by revisiting the website and clicking Update Submitted Tip. They can update their tip or add information by entering in the tip ID and password. The student also has the ability to talk to tip takers in a 2-way dialogue feature in real time using Safe Schools Maryland. Safe Schools Maryland, always anonymous, always available for your school safety concerns.